Hey everybody, I just got the latest update from the daily Treasury statement covering Friday, February 17th. And let me tell you something, it is not looking good. It is not looking good. Now, I sent out an email to MMT Trader subscribers. The email will go more into depth. And I put some charts in there, which I think are shocking. When you look at these charts, they are shocking in terms of the reversal that we have seen in a mere 8 days in terms of the fiscal flows. Now, looking at the data as of February 17th, the flows have now contracted. They are now 54 billion below where they were last year. So government spending has fallen to 54 billion below where it was last year. Now, mind you, just 8 days ago, it was 32 billion above fiscal year 2016. Now it's 54 billion below. So we've had almost a 90 billion reversal in the fiscal flows in 8 days. I mean, I have never really seen anything like this since I've been tracking these flows. And it's not just, most of this is the tax refund situation, the IRS tax refunds, still not flowing out at a very rapid rate, kind of like a trickle. We are 56 billion under where we were last year at the same time in terms of these tax refunds. And again, people rely on these things. Businesses rely on these things. But it's not just the tax refunds. I'm also seeing now, for the first time, a slowdown once again in Medicare payments. Now, you may recall it back in October, November, I was talking about Medicare and the spending gap, the negative spending gap compared to last year. And I said that was the main source of fiscal drag. And then it started to improve. And we got to a gap of only 7 billion under last year in total spending. Now it's back almost to 9 billion again. All right. And it's been growing slightly every day for the last week. I've been noticing it, but now it's pretty noticeable. All right. So this could be the first sign of the Trump administration, some of their policies starting to take hold. All right. Medicare, if this continues to go, that's a sign right there. But 54 billion under last year, a 90 billion reversal in these flows in a period of a little over a week. I'm telling you right now, we are going to see this show up in the economic data. The stock market is way out of whack here. I am doubling down on my position. I'm not taking on more shorts. I have my maximum that I'm going to take on in my S&P shorts, but I'm doubling down in terms of my outlook. And I'm saying there's going to be a heck of a crack up in the stock market coming. That is my prediction. Now, I've been right on everything. I was right last year, January, February, talking about, these flows have never failed me. I told you, buy stocks, we're going up. Everybody wanted to sell. And I said there was going to come a time when we're going to be selling and everybody wants to buy. We are in that time right now. We are in that time. This is as big a reversal in fiscal flows as I have seen since I have been tracking this data. All right. And there's no getting around it. You have something of this magnitude. It is going to show up. Hasn't shown up yet because, I look at these things every single day. I'm like Johnny on the spot right at the moment they're happening. Nobody else does that. These economic data releases, they come every 30 days. So it takes time for this stuff to show up. But just like I said, there was going to be inflation. In fact, I said there was going to be stagflation, which I understood the Fed price increases, right? I don't call them rate hikes, price increases. Called the dollars reversal, all this stuff, the gold, okay? Same thing here, all right? You could listen, you could make fun, make jokes, but I'll be right again. I'm telling you, I will be right again, just like everything else. Everything hinges off of these flows, and this is a huge, huge reversal. Very serious here, very serious. If you want my email, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Right there on the homepage, you'll see a link. Get the 30-day free trial. I'll send you the email. Plus, of course, you get the report and all the back issues. By the way, if you want to learn about how to read the daily Treasury statement, and then you don't have to listen to me telling it to you, get my course, Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement. It's on my website. It's only $99. just click on the tab that says courses. All my courses are there. My Forex course, Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement course, MMT Value Stock Selection course, and also the 3-course bundle, which is all 3 courses combined for a great price. They're all there. Anyway, I just wanted to update everybody on that. All right, stock market, it's in trouble. It is in trouble. Let me tell you. Bye-bye.